Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain arithmetic progression. So in this first question, if nth term of an arithmetic progression is an is equal to 24 minus 3n, then find the second term. The given nth term, that is an is equal to 24 minus 3n, but we want to find out second term, so we can substitute n is equal to 2. Then we will get the answer a2 is equal to 18. So like same concept, now I am going to give you some homework sums. So note down children. In this I given questions also, direct answer I given, but you want to write the question, then we want to substitute, then you can check your answers from here. So note down the questions. Here I given there are 8 questions are there. If you solve this all the questions, you'll get practice children. Confirm from this topic into one more question will be there. Next card number 2. In this I given only formulas from arithmetic progression. So first formula, nth term formula. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Second one, sum of nth term of arithmetic progression formula is Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Next question, but Sn formulas there are two types are there, in that when the given a and n, an or maybe l are given, we want to utilize the formula Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into a plus an, or maybe you can utilize Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into a plus l. In that one more thing, a and also l also both values will be equal. Next, fifth formula, sum of first n natural numbers formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Same thing, first n natural numbers, but here first n odd natural number means we want to write the formula only n square. Next, sum of first n even natural number formula is n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2 will come, but they written there n plus 1 by 2. You can change it. Next, card number 3 we came. In this, I am going to explain you Sn formula. First question, in that first one, find the sum of first 20 terms of arithmetic series 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus dot 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 using suitable formula. In one clue word is there, find the sum of first. But it comes this word, we should utilize only Sn formula. In that, see they given the number series also 2 plus 7 plus 12. So in that first number we have to consider it is a value. We can give the name it as a1, a2, a3. So first value a1 is equal to a. So a is equal to 2 will come. Next, d value how to find? D formula is equal to d is equal to a2 minus a1. We want to substitute 7 minus 2, you will get answer is 5. Okay, then what we want to find out? Yes, 20 we want to find. That means n is equal to 20 we want to substitute. Okay children, now write the formula Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In that n value we know 20 and a value also 2. Then n value again 20, want to substitute d value 5. If we substitute, we will get the answer 990. See children, one example sum I done. So remaining I will give from here also homework. If you work out this problem, it will become very easy. I given questions also, same time direct answer I given. You want to do the sums, then you can check your answer from here. So note down this question children. Okay, completed. can go for next. We learned how to use SN formula. Now we are going to learn AN formula how to utilize. Okay, in that first question, find the 10th term of arithmetic progression 5, 9, 13. Okay. In that we want to find A value, D value, always we know how to solve. So first number A is equal to 5, D value you know 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Next, what they have to find out? In this only they ask only 10th term. See children, this is the difference between SN and AN. First previous card we learned sum of first like that, but here only 10th term. So sum of first if it is come, we want to utilize only SN formula. Here only 10th term they mentioned. So we want to find AN formula. So AN formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. In that we know N is equal to 10, A5, as usual you can do it, you will get the answer. A10 is equal to 41. Like same I am going to give you from here also homework children, you can solve it. But I given question with the direct answer. You want to solve and get the answer. Note down these questions. Next, card number 6. Okay, in this we are going to learn how to find first term and common difference. That means A value and D value. First question, 3, 1, minus 1. Find first term and common difference of AP. That means first whatever they will give, that is A value, you can write directly A is equal to 3, and D value. Always we know formula D is equal to A2 minus A1. So if you substitute, you will get the answer from there minus 2. Next, just this basics how to find A value and D value. From here also I give us little question to solve. Next, find the sum of first 50 natural numbers. How do we learn the formula? Sum of first n natural number formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. The same formula we are going to use here also. So n value 50 directly can substitute. If we cancel that all those, if you solve the sums, if you solve the sums, you will get the answer 1400. Okay, next one, 1 minute. Yeah, one more sum also they given there. Find the sum of first 20 natural number, means the same formula, but we want to substitute n is equal to 20, you will get the answer. The same formula you can utilize for one more. I given 7 sums to solve. But this all the sums you want to solve children, then only you'll get the practice, you'll get good marks. Next, card number 6, this is the last one. Here, first one, find the sum of first 15 even natural numbers. How do we learn the formula? Even number formula is n into n plus 1. Here they given only 15, no? So that is n is equal to 15, we have to substitute here, you will get the answer. So 15 into 15 plus 1, if you solve the sum, you will get 240. Next, same, one more sum. Find the sum of first 10 even natural numbers. That means same formula n into n plus 1. In that we want to substitute n is equal to 10. Then you will get the answer 110. For this formulas also I given on 5 question to solve. Practice must and should. You have to do the sums. Next one. Find the sum of first 8 even natural number. Even natural number means that is the formula is n square. So here they given 8. So 8 square, it is how much will be there? 8 8s are 64. Very good. Next, like same formula you can place here also. Here they given 5 questions as homework. You can solve and you can check your answers here.